So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit simple videos, especially if you are a beginner content creator and you really don't know how to go about this. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do everything from start to finish. So in this video, I'll be using CapCut to explain to you the basics of video editing. There are other software you can use to edit video, but for the purpose of this video we'll be using CapCut, and CapCut is very simple to navigate and most of the features are free. Most of the features, basic features that you're going to be using are free. There are other applications like Viva, InShot, and there are so many other ones for simple video editing, and there are also pro video editing applications like DaVinci video editor, like shortcuts and the rest of that, but we're using CapCut. So let me explain what aspect ratio is first. There are different applications like the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube that you're going to be editing for, that you're going to be creating content for. But for videos like YouTube video, the long form of YouTube videos, it uses 16:9. That is, if you are shooting, you're going to be placing your video like this. You're going to be placing your phone, because I'm actually talking about using phone now. You might have camera, but of course as a beginner content creator you're going to be using phone. So let's just say our case study is phone. So you're going to be placing your phone like this instead of like this, because like this is more like 16:19, but for YouTube video, long form YouTube video, you're going to be placing your phone like this, so that will give you this landscape view, or like the portrait. So why for videos that you're going to be creating for platform like Facebook, um Instagram, TikTok, you're going to be placing your phone like this. You can see most of the times, most video you watch, they are just placed like this normally, but not like this. Though for YouTube you can actually create content like this. That's why we have YouTube Shorts, where you just view short form videos. But some people still do edit videos and then post it like this on the long form video instead of shooting like this, probably for one or two reasons, or probably some are novice, they really don't know how far to go about it. And then it's important to know about these ratios. Why? Because people will be convenient watching your video. Just imagine me shooting this video right now, and I didn't shoot it on the landscape like this, and then I shot it like this. The next thing we are going to be talking about is still the aspect ratio, but this aspect ratio can be worked on CapCut. Yes, you can work on the aspect ratio on CapCut. We're going to the aspect ratio. I'll show you that on the video while we are editing. I think you have a clear understanding of the aspect ratio now. Just simple, not plenty blah blah. Just remember, even if you're not taking anything, once you're shooting long form video, place your phone like this. If you're shooting short form video, like for short, for TikTok, for Instagram, you do your phone like this. So the first thing is to go to CapCut here. But if you don't already have CapCut on your phone, you can go to App Store for iOS user or Google Play Store for Android users to get CapCut. So click on CapCut, then you click on create new project. So now you import your video. This is the video I'm using, so I'll import it. You can see different features here from edit, audio, text, overlay effects, caption, and all of that. So but if you click on this video like this, click on the video will give you more features to work on the present video, on that particular video, like split, speed, animation. You can split the videos. I'll show you how to do. You can increase the speed to normal, you can click times 2 and what have you, but we are not going to work on that just yet. So anytime you want to edit the video, you can just click on that particular video and more features will show you. Okay, let's see this one that we talked about earlier, aspect ratios. I talked about it on the video, how to place your camera. You can actually work on your videos here. You can see the original form. My video is actually on the original form because I recorded it using the landscape form, like what I showed you earlier. by bending my phone. But you can do this 19 by 6, this 19 by 6, or like an invert of the YouTube ratios, which is 16 ratio 16 ratio 9, or 16 by 9. You can see 9, an invert of it. So then this one is for TikTok, and use it for YouTube shorts and all of that. But this one by one, it's that of Instagram and the likes of it. This one, of course, which is the default that we recorded it with. So this is simple basic aspect ratios. I get you understand ratios now, but for the course of this video, we'll just go back to original, or can I click on 60 by 9, no different, but I'm going to original. All right, so let's do some editing now. Click on it. So in this video, you can increase the volume. The volume is actually low now, so I'll just increase it. But if I click on it, I'll increase the volume. So in this video, the volume is really low. So since I've clicked on the video now, I'll go over to this plate to select the volume. I can increase it. It's on 100 now. So you can decide to reduce it or increase it. But now I want to increase it. Okay. So in this video, okay, let's do the basics. Number one basic that you must know how to do on video editing is cuts and splits. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit simple videos, especially if you're a beginner content creator and you don't really know how to go about it. So there's a pause here and I need to cut this. So I'll just click on this split and split. You can see that now is split into two. Can click on this one to work on it, click on this one. So this is one I want to work on. So in this, you can see there's a pause here. So this one I don't need it. So that part I don't need it. So you can now split on it, click on split, and then click on this one to delete it. You can see this delete button here. Click on delete. There are other applications like here now. I intentionally made this pause, so it means we are going to remove it. So I intentionally made this pause so that, because sometimes you might be shooting video and then you have some pauses and mistakes, so it's necessary for you to cut them. So this is a tutorial video. That's why I intentionally made this pause, so that we'll cut and join and are free. So you can leave this pause. I just try to split it. There are other applications like InShot, Viva Video, and the lots of that. There are other applications like, you can see it. So I'll just cut here, split. Other applications like, so let's go over again. There are other you can see it. I made this pause, so I'm deleting this part. This is like 9 seconds, so I'm deleting this 9 seconds now. Going to be using are free. Other applications like, so you can see now here the thing this start well. So this is what I'm going to do. I've clicked on this video because I cut it too much. You can either undo it and then recut it, but no, I think we just use this other part. I'm zooming it. Just use your two hands to zoom in, like stretch it like your normal zoom. And then why I'm doing this is because I want to increase this one so that it will show. There are other applications like, you can see. So this zooming out, it will be more effective. Less enough free. Most of the basic features that you're going to be using are free. There are other applications like, you can see it didn't cut out before, but now we have already added it, like we increased it so that it will show. So you can speed up or remove. Okay, let me work on this. There are other applications like Viva. Okay, let's increase the speed. So we just increase the speed a bit, say 1.2, and then let's play it. There are other applications like Viva, InShot, and there's so many other ones for simple video editing. It has increased the speed a bit, but I don't want this, so I'll just revert the speed and then leave my video. There are other applications like Viva, InShot, and there's so what we just do over what I do and I advise you to do first is to clear up all the mistakes first, and then once we are done clearing up the mistake, we now go to add more value. And also another thing that I do first, depends on your preference, is to remove background noise. Let's play this thing again. So in this video I'm going to show you, probably because my background is kind of quiet, you might not really get to hear a lot of noise. I wasn't using microphone while recording this video, so there are a lot of noise from the background. So minimize noise, so I advise that you remove background noise. So how to do this is still like click on the video and then see reduce noise here. So once we use it, the noise will be minimized. So what I do actually, especially when my video is not up to 15 minutes, let's say 10 minutes or less, is I first of all remove the background noise. You can see where I'm going to session it now. First of all, remove the background noise. So in this video, I'll be so after we are done with splitting, removing the background noise and all of that, so the next thing is to now start adding value, like what will make your video interesting. You can see this video is just like normal, so in this kind of video. Okay, let's play between here. Don't really know how to go about it. Really amazing. So we need to add something that will catch our audience attention. You can add text, you can add caption, you can add a lot of things. So what we are going to do now is to add transition. To add transition, you click on this dash here. So you can either use any of these ones, so I'll just use miss. Let's see the difference. If you're a beginner content creator and you don't really know how to go about it, so in this video you can see it's so cool, like it's really amazing. So I can still add it here. Let me add miss. There are other applications like Viva that you're going to be using are free. There are other applications like Viva. See? But one thing I need you to know is once you've added this miss and then the voice is overlapping, you can reduce it to like the minimum. Like instead of 0 points, to just like okay, it's already at the minimum 0 points. Say for instance, free. There are other applications. You can see the thing overlapped, but you just leave it to the barest minimum, which is 0.1 seconds, which is what we are leaving it at. So you can add, I thought you have to add transition. Now you can add text by clicking outside the video. You can see I'm not clicking on any video like this. No, I've clicked out. So now add text and then click on add text. I think we're not using it here. Let's go to this place where we have this one are free. There are other applications like Viva. Yes, let's just list these applications like Viva. Since I mentioned Viva, so after writing the test, you can choose from any of these you can choose from any of these style fonts. You can make it palettes and gray or depending on what you want, but just be careful not to use pro. But there's one thing I'm noticing here. The thing is not showing me pro or free. Is it because I've not signed in? Because I know CapCut, almost all these fonts are supposed to be on pro. Maybe it's because I'm not signing, but I really advise that you sign in to your CapCut so that you know the one that is free and the one that is for pro. I think before the end of this video I'll just sign in so that we'll know the ones we can use, because if you use any pro application or any pro features, you will not be able to export your image. Like, to be so hectic, you have to go and remove it or you upgrade to pro. Just imagine after editing your video, you were thinking that, oh, this video is so perfect, and then you were like, okay, remove this text, this font text is pro. Either you upgrade or you remove it. Just imagine that kind of thing. So that's why it's necessary for you to use the free. Stick with the free if you're using that for the free. So that's, by the way, I think I'm cool with this one. Or should we just change? Let me change to freehand. No, that's not so cool. Let's use the Evangel. We have like Viva. You can change the style. You can add background and lots of that. I think I like this one already. So you can change the effects. You can change the animation. So let's just use this one. Viva. So this is what I'm going to be using. Sounds like Viva. So you can try to put it anywhere. So I just click on it. You can try to drag it here, drag it here, drag it to wherever you want it to be. I think we're cool like this, or we're okay like this. So for me not to repeat and repeat and repeat, I just have to copy this. Click on it, duplicate. I'll duplicate it, and then I'll shift it. InShot. We already have InShot here, so I'll cut here. I'll split this first one. Either I use it as InShot, so I have to delete this one. InShot. So I'll now edit it. Clicking on this pen button. Instead of Viva, I will add InShot. We have like Viva, InShot, and so you can animate out by clicking on this edit again and then going to animation. The first one we did was animate in, so let's animate out to make it really cool. You can use any of the animation depending on what you want. I think I like this one. InShot. Okay, we have like Viva, InShot. So you can add InShot. Move it like this. Let's overlap. InShot, and there's so many other ones for simple video editing, and there are also pro video. So I really want you to follow me through this video. I guess you're understanding what I'm doing. If you are enjoying the video, if you are getting value from it, go to over to the comment section and type I am getting value. I really want you to type it on the comment section so I'll know that you're following me through. Since we are done with added text, we can add caption to our video. I'll go to text first. Caption. You can see I clicked out already. Let me go over again. I clicked out. I didn't click on any image, like any video or anything. I just clicked out. Click on the blank space. So go to add caption or auto caption. So I'll click on auto caption. These are templates. These are templates for the caption. So I think this one is cool. So I'll just click on this one. It will take a while for it to generate. You can see generating caption to just take some few seconds for it to finish generating. I don't think the team read Nigerian read that correctly, so you have to edit some of the words so that it will come out well. You can be like man and then it writes something else, so you can just go and edit it. So now the caption has finished generating. It's now left for us to edit it. So you can edit the caption. I click on this and then click on edit, and then imagine the videos wasn't correct. Like I'm like, okay, I don't need to do a video, but I'm leaving it like that. I don't know if you get it. And then you can change the font, like use any fine font you like. Any fine font. Okay, let's say I can use this one now for that particular one video edit. We'll go over to test 2 and then click on stickers. So here you see follow, like, and all of that. You can see all the pro like what I was talking. See all these ones that are pro. Avoid them. It's very important. If not, you'll not be able to export your videos. Like avoid these things that are pro. It's supposed to be search button, but I don't know, this latest update doesn't allow for search. This latest update doesn't allow for search. If not, it's supposed to be search button. But you can come here again. I guess it's where I went to. Still here. Let's go right again. Test. At first went to stickers, but now I'm going to test templates. And then I'll go to social media. I still get this here too. So I just allow it to load. You can see the share, you can see subscribe. All these ones are free. Anyone that is pro, it will have pro at the top, so you can see like and share. Okay, let's use this one as an example.
To edit.
So since we are done with this one, I just want to remove it. Okay. Now,
So in this,
you can now click on it. Either click on it on the screen or click on it here, and then resize by clicking on this place, and then click here. You can decide to put it anywhere you like. So I'll just put it here.
so in this video, I'm going to show you.
So this is how to go about it. So if you really find this, if you are finding this video helpful, I need you to like this video, like it, and share with your friends and family.